Now, this illustration deals with branch circuits supplied from direct current systems in accordance with NEC 210.5 C as in car 2. Now, as I have mentioned to viewers of volume 2 as well as volume 1, always look at your numbers first, because they kind of highlight exactly what the rules are. And then review your figures to see if you want additional information. And after you do this, then go ahead and look at the call outs and get ready to design everything. But notice the note 1 is these systems can produce DC power as outlined in 210.5 C as in part 2. Note 2 states method of identification 50 volts or greater, and number 4 AWG phase conductors or greater, polarity at all terminations, connections, and splice points by using marking tape, proper tagging, or other approved means that the authority has in jurisdiction. So it's okay to use in accordance with 210.5 C in part 2. And of course, you know, 90.4 gives the authority having jurisdiction the final say. Now, sometimes it's a lie, I don't like that, but somebody has to approve your system after or before the owner accepts the installation. Now, notice note 3 talks about ungrounded phase conductors, number 6 or smaller, should be identified in the same manner as note 2. Now, we have the notes 1, 2, and 3 identifying what is the minimum requirements. Now we would look at each individual power source producing DC. Notice the batteries, they're in Article 280, standalone type system. Solar PV systems, we install those for 690, and you know, our work on 690, it would take all day to go through that. When I say all day, 8 hours. Now, we have wind generators, and it takes about a half a day to go through that article, 694. But notice we're producing DC power, and then we have to have a converter, in most cases, we call it a converter, to convert DC to AC power, if that be the case, if we're not using pure DC to power our equipment in our facility. Now, notice we have number 4 conductors or larger, and we might be greater than 50 volts. You know, that's why we change the clearances in and around equipment for these type systems to over, say, about 600 volts up to 1,000 volts. And, you know, we changed that in our table 110.26A1 to address these type of systems. And before we did that, in the previous code, 317, notice that we didn't have 2 voltage levels there in table 110.26A1. We had 0 to 50, and we would have over 50 up to 150 volts that would be listed in the table. And of course, if it was 277 volts, 480, then we had that vote. But there were 2 voltage levels. Now we have 3 because of these systems. So kind of remember that. So this illustration is going through the requirements when branch circuits supplied with direct current circuits are at a certain output with a certain voltage output in accordance with NEC 210.5 C as in part 2, and that's what our figure 14-36 is illustrating.